All right, all right, all right, all right. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, traders. Good afternoon, man. Let's get started. Let's get rolling here, man. It's good to be with you. It's such a pleasure. Ashley Reeve here. If here for the very first time, a warm welcome to you. That's my name. And it's an absolute blessing, man. To everybody that's joined, that's been joining, man, you guys are all warmly welcomed here, right? Remember, we're going to be discussing quite a bit, which we have, and you know by now. But remember, do not construe this as advice in any way, all right? Are you guys ready to go? Let me know if you guys are ready to go. I'll check out the chat facility now because I'm seeing there's quite a bit of lackiness happening there. All right, everybody, all right, everybody, all right. Let's see. G, Ash, where are you from? Oh, yeah, Dr. Ahmad, I see it there, man. What fantastic, beautiful intraday movements, isn't it so? The lovely Tundi, good afternoon. Brett, I see you. Intel, Shirley Shakes, I see you. AV, Shira, I said Tanya already, all right. Intel, where can you download the, hey man, YouTube. Guys, are you guys seeing what I'm seeing here? I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, but yeah. Is there much to say? Let's quickly see. Dixon, I see you there. Good afternoon. Intel, please give me, I must just go and check. All right. Just give me till 6, all right. I'll just have to go and check. I can't remember actually. All right. All right, so are you guys seeing what I'm seeing here? I mean, what were we looking for here, guys? We were looking for a stronger dollar, isn't it so? Now, let's start it off fresh here, all right? Let's start with the oil price. When we left here at the 12 midday report, guys, we saw that the oil price was at this point here. Now, what did I say to you? I'm seeing divergence. We could be seeing some downside coming, yes, but we wanted to extract what we could in the moment, all right? We wanted to extract what we could in the moment. It does not mean this extraction is going to, the window is going to be open tomorrow. It just means that today, with the oil price a little bit higher and it's in a strong buy zone, we can try to extract something from a stronger dollar perspective, right? We then went on a rampage and we said, right, silver and gold are the two ones that's looking beautiful, all right? Now, we redid silver. All right? And can you guys see what has happened? I'm already out with the first trade. All right? Let's see. Are the guys here? Let me just make sure the guys are here. Let me just make sure. I'm going to give you guys a few seconds. Where's the guys? All right, so the guys are here. All right, they're here. All right. Yes, there we go. All right. You know what? Tanya's right. Yeah, Intel, that's the name. That just jogged my memory. Beautiful. Thanks, Tanya. Guys, we are on the ball here. Look at this. We have done the first trade. Okay. I'm out already. And what I did was, can you see this area here? That's the second weakness. So that was the first weakness. This is the second weakness that I've already highlighted. If the silver price can break beneath this area, I'm in here for another short. So I got in and I'm out already, all right? If the silver price can break beneath this area here, I'm in for my second trade. So let's see what happens at this point in time, all right? Gold. I've been in gold. I think, guys, from this morning, you guys saw it. This trade was in. It was messing around over here, and we finally broke, gave us a new low there. So there's a correction taking place. So it's now 1506. Let us then together, as a collective, as a community, say, listen, we would love for gold to continue coming down to this area over here. I think that's pretty clear. I think that is pretty clear. I know you guys, you can let me know in the chat facility, but that is absolutely clear. This is us trying and attempting to take advantage, all right? We are attempting to take advantage of a oil price that is up there, and we are attempting to take some strength, or at least drawing strength from the US dollar. So let's see what happens. I'm in here, I'm in gold. I'm waiting for it now. It's 1507. Hopefully by the US Open, I'm going to see some movement. I also got into NZD USD. Now, NZD USD smashed through. You can see there's my entry. It smashed through that support area. It's now creating, because remember, this is actually a high. This is a resistance, right? So that is a low, and that is a lower high, actually. So I'm waiting for it to come down now. Now, there is obviously things that's going to happen here, guys. This was impulse 1, impulse 2, impulse 3. The first trade is down here. The only way I'm really going to get in for this movement here is if it breaks below 2. Because what price can do is it can do this. It can literally do that, and then it can do that. So the moment price hits the area that I've identified with the arrow, I am getting out of NZD USD. I will then wait. All right, that's why I try to get in as close as possible. So when it hits that area, I get out. If it breaks below that zone there, no problem. No problem whatsoever. Waiting for it. It's looking extremely good so far. This is a problem child. I redid Euro USD, guys. I went ahead whilst we were on a break. I went ahead and I redid Euro USD. So 1.16, all right, 712 is the area that I am waiting for. Look at that. Look at this. That is what I'm waiting for. So if price can break below 1.16712, that's going to be an area for me to get in, guys. I have to wait for it though. All right, can everybody see that? Guys, am I audible? Let me know quickly. Am I audible? Is there visual? Quickly let me know there, yeah? All right, guys. Let's see. All right, everything is loud and clear. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. All right, so let's move. We also have the USD JPY. Well, what do you know? What do you know? Look at this. Came back into the buyer zone, waiting for it to break, and I couldn't give a rip about what candle comes there and if it's a 5 minute or whatever. I'm looking for the biggest, most confident, most committed candle for me to get in. Guys, over the years, I've had one question on repeat. What's the best time frame? What's the best time frame? What's the best candle? What, guys? It is the committed candle that counts. It is the level of commitment in that candle that counts. I said to you this morning, minute commitment is different from hourly commitment. All right, daily, weekly, monthly commitment is different from the hours. It's obvious, right? So if you are going to be going into a specific trade with a 5 minute candle and it's a big one, right? the chances are price could first retreat a little bit before it goes up. That's exactly what I did with gold. Look what I did with gold, guys. I went in here, and guys, remember, I showed you that this morning. When I went into gold, look where I got in. Hold on. Let me just go there. Let me just go there. There it is right there. Look here. This is where I got in with gold. Are you with me, guys? Are you with me, guys? This is where I got in with gold. It was shorter time frames. And what had happened was it took a bit of time. Like I said, retreats. It retreated. And then, look at this. Beautiful, man. Is there anyone that went for gold? All right. Is there anyone that went for gold? Let me see here. Dr. Amor. I'm telling you, I'm being honest with you. All right. If it is a 5-minute candle, an hourly candle, guys, there's no such thing as a best time frame. There is no such thing as a best time frame. It's all subjective to your schedule. All right. Look at USD Swiss franc, guys. All the way from the bottom. Look at this. All the way from the bottom. Look at that. So I redid USD Swiss franc. Who can see that, guys? Look at this, guys. Who redid? Who saw that I redid USD Swiss franc? Anyone here, guys? Let me know quickly. Is there anyone that can see I have redone USD Swiss franc? This setup here now has 78 pips in it, guys. Now remember, why did I redo it? Because this was the initial setup from there, but we extended. So I needed, I literally needed to redo this entire thing because there was a new chain. There was a new area of weakness. The first area of weakness was up here. So because price extended down, I did a brand new one. I found it. Very, very, very important there. My word. All right. EuroCAD. Guys, I'm not sleeping on EuroCAD at all. I'm just leaving it. For now, I'm leaving it. It's above. It's doing its things. All right. The only way that I will definitely move out of EuroCAD if it breaks this low here. And what I did with the guys was I said, and I literally separated it. I said this yellow zone is the higher time frame, meaning we push further down. The gray zone you see there is all intraday. So if the intraday fails, all right, I'm adapting to the higher time frame. So which means I'm adapting to the swing from there all the way down. That's it. I'm adapting to it. And that was extremely important, or it is extremely important that adaptation is needed here, guys. So if the intraday setup here fails, I'm going into swing mode. Not a problem. It's not a problem at all. Let's adjust. But at this point, I'm not feeling any pressure. There's nothing. All right. It's still in a good place. Let's see what it does here. It will probably faff around here a little bit, but we'll see how it recovers. All right. Then obviously, guys, GBP USD here. I said I also wanted to redo GBP USD. So this one also has now a signal of being bearish. So are you guys ready to go to work on GBP USD? Let me get it in the chat facility. If you guys not ready to go to work on GBP USD, I'm going to leave it alone. All right. But are you ready to go for it? Because I know there's some guys, they like the GBP USD. Are you ready to go and do some work on there, guys? Let's quickly see. Let's quickly see. Let's quickly see. Quickly, let me get some H2O. All right, Avi, I see you there. All right. Tanya's there. You here. That's what matters, right? Theado, should I be revealing the name now? Should I reveal it now, Theado? All right. Dixon is there. G is there, Wilbert is there. All right, there we go. Theado, let me know, should I reveal it? Is it still, All right, here we go. We're dealing with this one over here, guys. This is our impulse. What is the impulse part of? Give me the two words there. Guys, what is the two words that this impulse is in. Quickly, guys. What is the focus? That impulse fits into what? 2 words. All right, Tato. Okay, I got you. Secret safe with me. What is the 2 words there, guys? What does that impulse fit into? Quickly, guys. Quickly. What does that impulse fit into? It's 2 words. It's 2 words. Someone has to know it. Someone has to know it. And I'm not doing, look at this. I'm not doing the 4-hour impulse. I'm doing the hourly impulse. All right, I'm doing the hourly impulse. Let's see. Nobody. Is there nobody that can tell me, guys? It's 2 words. That impulse is part of. Come on, guys. So let's look for the weakness. I'm going to look for the weakness now in this impulse over here. All right. Whew. Look at that. Look at this. There's a weakness. Big one. Look at that. Do you see that? Thank you, Intel. Guys, let's give Intel a round of applause. Come on. Don't be jealous now. Don't be jealous now. Market structure. Yes, the impulse is part of market structure. So as we are, dissecting the impulse, we are aware that it is part of market structure. That is our bread and butter, ladies and gentlemen. It's our bread and butter. Let's leave the guys to chat about Elliott Wave. Let's leave them to chat about ICT, pivot point. Let them chat about the different methods. It's okay. We'll pat them on the back and say, no problem, it's good. But when we take that away, what we're working on here is market structure. Market structure. All right. I see you, G. I'll take the trying there. All right. And I'll put it as a naughty badge, my friend. All right. So there's the weakness. Now, guys, here's a key element to this block. I am not looking for any weaknesses here. I'm not looking for any weaknesses here. Why, Ash? Are you not looking for weaknesses here or weaknesses here? Because that's the impulse. That's the impulse. This was the slowdown. Price went up, slowed down. I'm looking for weaknesses in the slowdown. Because if price can break the slowdown, I go back down. That is why I'm looking for it in that specific way. All right? So as I drop down, there's already, look there. There we can see it right there. All right? There's 1 so far. There's 2. Look, 1, 2, 3. Look, there's multiple here. But you should get used to, you don't have to use all of them. Because if I use this, the M10, I'm including them anyway. So I can use the M10 here. There. And there. Those are weaknesses right there. Very, very important. All right. We are dissecting the market structure, the impulse, guys. Look at that. And look at that right there. So in this weak link, you guys remember that show, The Weakest Link? That was a powerful show. That was a powerful show. The weakest link. This here, ladies and gentlemen, is the weakest link. So if I go to a 1 hour frame now, do you guys see what I'm working with? If price breaks that zone over there, up for grabs, I have roughly about 40 pips up for grabs. 40 pips up for grabs. Now here, look at this. This is when we look at the impulse as a whole. All right. Now, if I do this, watch now. If I do this, I can trade only this impulse. Man, guys, let me just pause here and let you guys know that what I'm showing you is this thing is possible on any asset. This is not a strategy. Normally, you'll find Some guys will say a method or a strategy is better for NAS, or it's better for Euro USD, or for the major pairs. Guys, what I'm showing you here, any asset, because it's market structures. So the only reason why I would sell it, all right, down to this area here, let me just get my line chart. It's 1521. We still have about, 9 minutes left, all right? That becomes our zone, right? There's about 40 pips up for grabs, roughly about there. Now, this is the setup within this entire impulse. But you don't need to do that. You can move your attention away from the weak link, because this is the link between that one and that one. But let's just say we wanted to scalp that one over there. Hold on. Why is this thing not? Give me a second here. Let's say we just wanted to scalp that. All right, we just wanted to scalp this over here. So what we do is we're going to do the same thing. Look where the link is. It's at the bottom. It's at the bottom. So, which means this is not a good scalp, all right? Unless we find the link there. So if I go down, look, let's see. Not yet. Look for the weakness here. That link is staying the same. Not yet. Not yet. There we go. You see there? This was the link, guys. Right there. Hold on. Do you see this? This was the link. Right there. Yeah, that was the link on M2. You guys see that? So if I do this, I'm trading the one side of it. Look. The upper side. Now you can see we already missed the move. In terms of the breakout, it's already broken out. All right, watch now. See this area here? That was the break. So if I do it like that, watch. Going up, that was the break. Can you guys see that? So if I go back, watch. That is the trade. Do you guys see that? Let me give you both. In one impulse, I've divided it into two trades. Hold on. 1, 2. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Ooh. Get that out of the way. There we go. 2 trades right there. Can you guys see that? 2 trades right here. There. Look at that. If I take this off. So the first trade here, 21 pips. 40 pips. Now you'll notice something. I'm not even focused about this dead area here. The reason why Ash is not focused on that dead area, do you know why? Because what price can do is it can come down, bounce right there, and then go up. So it doesn't mean just because it broke through there, we're going to go down. No, it needs to go through the link. Is everybody clear there, guys? All right. And you'll notice we busy analyzing here, right? Young Sun, Brett, Teedo, we analyzing GBP USD whilst all of this is going on. whilst this is going on, I know most guys are going to look at the trades, right? This is going on whilst we're analyzing. NZD USD is very dramatic here. Euro USD, guys, if we can break now in this session, this is going to be a beautiful trade, guys. Let's see USD JPY, USD Swiss franc, nothing there yet. All right, silver, let's see silver. Nothing yet. I need silver to break there first. All right. So right now, as we analyzing GBP USD, which will be great. And guys, I can say to you now that there's trades up for grabs here. We got 3 minutes left. Let's see what it does. Let's hope we get a sustained dollar that's going to the downside here, or at least in strength. That's what we would like to see. We'd love to see it pan out, because here it's already broken below. Correction. Actually, hold on, let's do this. Woo! Woo-wee! Look at that, right into our zone. Absolutely stunning. Oh my word, absolutely stunning. Look at that. Look at that. Yesterday. All right, so let's move this one up. You can see the oil price is still up there. All right, as long as the oil price doesn't come down. If the oil price comes down, then all of this here is just a fairy tale. All right, Euro USD still good, NZD. So guys, let's just watch it now. All right, we got 2 minutes left. Let's go into observation mode. Gold price. On the 5 and 6 minutes, we've created a lower high. Let's hope that this is the lower high now. That's going to push us down now. We got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Are you guys ready for the US Open now? See, when we do things like this, you look forward to it. You look forward to it. USD Swiss franc. Let's see if it goes up. USD JPY. Let's see if it goes up. Hopefully, we get some good numbers coming in now, guys. Hopefully, we get some good numbers coming in now. I do know, I did not check. Hold on, let me just see. We got good numbers on the manufacturing index. We got 47.4 points on the index. Unemployment claims came in a little bit lower than 210,000. It came in at 206,000. All right, but it is, if the actual is less, which is great in this specific case. There's 206,000 came in, 210 was the forecast. Then let's see if it brings any positivity into the market now. We got a couple of seconds left. We're watching silver. We're watching gold. We're watching NZD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD. We're watching USD JPY. We're watching USD Swiss franc. All right, let's see what happens here with the US Open. Hopefully, we're not disappointed here, guys. There's the gold price. Let's see. Hopefully, we don't get disappointed here. It's 15.30. Look at that. Already started off weaker dollar. Starting off weaker dollar. Look at that. Weaker dollar there. NZD USD. Nothing there. Euro USD. Nothing here yet. Struggling there. All right. GBP USD. A bit of reaction. It's US Open. Look. Let's see. UJ. Nothing yet. USD Swiss franc. Oil price. Look at the oil price. Look there. Look. Look at the oil price. I'm trying to see. Guys, let me know if you spot anything that that I'm not looking at here. Let me know. All right. Let's be each other's eyes here. All right. So if I'm missing something, quickly let me know. All right. Let me know if I'm missing something. Let's be each other's eyes here. Look at silver. Look at silver here. It's still in the correction. Gold is not reacting. NZD USD. It's already 15.31. Nothing. Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD coming a bit down here. GBP USD coming a bit down here now. USD JPY moving up here now. USD Swiss franc looks like it would like to go up as well. All right, be my eyes, guys. If I'm not seeing anything, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. If there's anything that I'm not seeing here, let me know. That's USD Swiss franc. We're watching silver at that resistance. Gold. Bit of a rejection there now. Whoever's in gold. Who's in gold here, guys? Quickly, who's in gold here? Who's in gold? Who's in gold? Who's in gold? 1532 at the moment. NZD USD, we're still waiting for a drop there, guys. Euro USD, we're waiting. Oil price is going up. That should be positive for dollar for now. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Give us something. Let us know what's going on here. Okay, silver moved a little bit up, all right? Okay, okay, okay. It's going back to this resistance here, all right? Okay, let's see how far you go. 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 Gold's struggling at that area it broke. You see that area right there? It broke, went down, correction. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We're watching. We're watching, we're watching, we're watching, we're watching, guys. We're watching. We're watching. Shira, well done on that one, yeah? Well done, Shira. Well done, well done, well done. Come on, Euro USD. There's the GBP USD. Come on, come on, come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Move up for us. Sorry about that, guys. Move up for us. We've been waiting for you, man. We've been waiting. It's just Silva is being dramatic. She's being dramatic now. NZD USD still looking good. We've already broken through. Remember, guys, we still have 6 o'clock. We have a 6 o'clock session. So far, and you know what, guys? I said to you, be careful. It was only 12 o'clock. Anything can change. Anything can change. Guys, this is genuinely like boxing. Listen to what I'm saying to you. Do you know that you can go and ask any professional boxer? They will tell you, you can prepare. You can prepare. You can have the greatest conditioning, you know, and I'm going to quote Tyson. I'm going to quote Mike Tyson. He said, everybody has a plan until they get punched in the face. It is absolutely true. Anything can happen. You can be prepared with your lot sizes. Guys, you can be so prepped. But if the market moves against you, it moves against you. So far, our major pairs are doing well. Look at that. They're doing well. It's the silver that's a bit of a problem. And this is a good time to bring in the rotten tomato expression. We hope this is not exactly that, a rotten tomato expression where one wants to come and bring problems to everyone else now. Because we were doing very nice here. Come on. Sorry about that. All right. Look at silver. Look at silver. Look at silver now. You come down, you drop, you give us a nice move. Look at this, guys. Ooh, we got to watch it. Look at this. We have to watch it very carefully. We have to watch this very carefully. NZD USD. We're still at the same place. Euro still at the same place. GBP still at the same place. USD at the same place. USD Swiss franc at the same place. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's see. That's silver. That's silver. This guy's a problem. I'm so glad I got out of silver, man. I'm so glad I got out of silver. All right, let's hope that it does not influence gold here. Because you know how guys are on bandwagons. Guys just jump. Guys jump, they jump, they jump, they jump. They see that the hoarding mindset. The hoarding mindset. Look at GBP USD. Look at this. Guys, go and study migration patterns. Listen to this. Go and study migration patterns of wildebeest and zebra. Go and check how these guys migrate and what that means. The lions, the crocodiles have a field day with them. The hoarding mindset. The hoarding mindset. No, sorry, it keeps on doing that, guys. Silver is battling something here. A flu or... Yeah, there's a flu happening here. Symptoms. Look at the symptoms there. There's a mild flu happening here with silver. Let's hope it does not influence gold, because gold was doing very well. Have you guys ever been in a household where the one gets flu and then you're okay for like a week, and then after a week and a half you start coughing? You're like, oh my goodness, I wish I didn't. Don't tell me I got it. Let's hope that's not what we're dealing with here, guys, because it all looks good right now. It's broken through different levels, key areas below those lows. Let's see if it's sustained. Euro JPY also looking good. Look at that. Euro Aussie. Oh my word, yes. If we can break below that area, that's going to give me some good movement here. That's about 45 pips. Let me just give it to so you can see what I'm looking for. 63834. Sorry about that. 63834. Yeah, look at silver, guys. Silver is creating nonsense here. It's just created a high. Silver is making waves. Look at gold. Guys, I'm sorry. I don't know why it keeps kicking back like that. If it happens on yours, please forgive me. I don't know why it keeps on pushing through. I'm not pressing anything or clicking or doing anything crazy. All right, so guys, silver is having a crisis here. It's just created. It's at that high. It comes in, it gives us a trade, right? Gives us a nice trade. $60 pips, and then goes back up. All right. Gold is looking different to silver. Look at that. NZD/USD is still looking good. We've already come down. Euro USD looks like it wants to come down. In actual fact, hold on. Let's do this. Right now, on the MT, on the dollar index, yeah, there's strength on the DXY. There's strength on the DXY right now. All right, this is a monitoring moment now, guys. Okay, I'm not doing anything with silver right now. I'm staying away from silver like a plague. Gold, there it does it again. Sorry, gold. I'm in a short with gold right now. I'm in a short NZD/USD. I'm in a short, sorry, I'm not in a short with Euro USD. So it's gold and NZD/USD, guys. What I'm waiting for now is Euro AUD below that area. Euro USD below that area. GBP USD to come below that area again. USD Swiss franc above the zone here. Let me place it there as well so you guys know. So if by 6 o'clock you come online, you'll know why if I'm in. I'm telling you, man, it's doing its own thing here. Look at that. It's created a high. Silver. Silver has created a new high. Let me see if there's anything that I'm missing here. Hold on. Let me quickly go in here. I want to see if there's anything that I've... All right. So, guys, we do know Thursday now the U.S. Treasury yields moved higher. That's why we're seeing a stronger dollar. It's reversing the gains triggered by the Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent. The 30-year yield climbed as well. Okay, so there is a stronger dollar because of that U.S. Treasury yields. All right. Very, very important. All right. Okay, so guys, we're going to wait on this now. We're going to wait on this now. All right. We're going to wait on this. Silver has created a new high. Now, gold here, guys, what's important? If price breaks above this high, I'm out of gold. Because then it means the higher time frames are pushing. All right. NZD USD. If price breaks above that high, I'm out of NZD USD. The higher time frames are prevailing. Euro USD, GBP USD, all of this here, I'm not in any of those trades. It's only gold and NZD USD at this point in time. So let's wait for it. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it moves. And we'll take it from there. All right. So it's 6 o'clock, guys. I'll be doing the recap here to see what's happening so far. It's looking good. There's no issues whatsoever. It's still in a selling state. We're going to see if it gets sustained in a couple of hours. Let's give the US market a bit of time just to oil up. All right. I think that's important for us. Okay. All right. I'll see you guys soon. Have a good one. See you at 6. Bye, dankie, mensa. Ciao, ciao.